Happy wife, happy life, right? Right? I disagree, however. That statement is one of the single most destructive statements that have ever been told to men. Because here's the truth, the men who tend to repeat this rhetoric are the same men. If you listen enough, they have simply been defeated by their partners. They have been broken down. They have been told that their emotions don't matter. They have been told that their wants are minuscule compared to that of their wives. That's not a way to live. That's sad. That's a recipe for disaster. That's a recipe for the husband to live a silent life of destitute. Instead, I put this to you. Happy partnership, happy relationship, happy life. So say it with me. Happy relationship, happy life. So it is the job of both the husband and wife, the boyfriend and the girlfriend, the man and the woman, the man and the man, the woman and the woman, whatever concoction you cook up. It is the job of both of you to ensure that you make the other person happy. And I assure you, if that is the goal, you will be happy. Both of you. The wife will be happy, and so will the husband. And as an extension, the relationship and life in general will follow suit.